In this presentation, I will try to demonstrate a problem solving called compass error. So let's start or begin with a typical chart. A typical chart should have a compass rose. Okay, so this is a compass rose. Inside the compass rose lies the variation. So this is the variation. Okay, so we will go to the next slide. Next slide. So zooming up. So this is an example of variation. The variation says 4 degrees 15 minutes west, and that is in 1985. 1985, since the chart is created in 1985, and then the annual decrease is 6 minutes. So example, although today is 2023, but the present year example is 2020. So 2020 minus 1985, the year chart created. So the answer is of course 35 years difference from 2020 to 1985. So the annual decrease is 6 minutes. So multiplied by 6, of course, that's become 210 minutes. That's the annual decrease. Now, since 210 is more than 60, because 1 degree is 60 minutes, so you have to divide it by 60. So the answer should be in degrees. So the answer is 3 degrees 30 minutes in 35 years. Okay, so to continue, the variation says 4 degrees 15 minutes west in 1985. So the annual or the total decrease in 35 years is 3 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, why we are showing you this one? Because we are trying to find the variation in 2020. So the answer is, of course, 0 degrees 45 minutes west. That's the variation for the year 2020, our example. Okay, so round up, round. So 45 minutes is more than 30, so round is 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree west. Next step is to find the deviation. So given ang compass course, so this is the deviation table. All BCL has its own deviation table. So this is the heading, this is the deviation, this is the graph from 0 to 360. Okay, so sir, there is no 151 heading or course. So we will go to the nearest. Okay, so the nearest is 157, near to 151. So 157.5. So the division is 5s. Okay, division is 5s. A while ago, we have established our variation, which is 1 west. Okay, now we have established now our deviation, which is 5s. Okay, so to continue, the formula says, can dead man both twice? To reverse, true virgin makes the companion. Okay, so we have a given or known numbers. Punch in. But before that, let me introduce to you the word cadet. Cadet. So from compass to true add s. From compass to true add s. Okay, punch in. So the given are 151 compass course, division 5s, and variation 1 west. Because of this given, we can now solve the unknown. So the first unknown is magnetic. So 151 and 5s, because add s. So 151 again, add s from compass to true, add s from compass to true, add s. So because this is 151 plus 5 is 156. So 156 and 1 west. So add s. So west is minus because this is s. So 156 minus 1 is 155. Okay, so reverse. Punch in on the reverse. Okay, so we have already punched in our known numbers. So the unknown is the magnetic and the true. So we cannot solve this one because this is unknown. We cannot solve this one because this is, we can solve this one because there are two givens. So 151 and 5 is, so going up because this is the unknown, so going up. So from compass to true, add s. So 151 and 5, of course 156. Okay, so this is now unknown, so we have two given, so we can solve this one. So 156 is and minus 1 because this is west, because this is compass to throw, so minus, so 155. So the same answer. Okay, but our purpose, our aim is to solve the compass error. The rule says the combination of true course and compass course is compass error. So our true course is 155 and our compass course is 151. So subtract from the bigger number 155 and 151 is 4 east. But the question is why east? There is a rule. The rule says compass best west, compass less east. In this case, the compass is lesser, okay? Lesser than the true course. Okay, so compass less east, so east, okay? For east. Another checking is this one. The combination of variation and division is also compass error. So variation is 1 west, the division is 5 east. So of course the answer is 4 east. Why is 4 east? Because same sum, different minus. Now, the direction of variation is west, the direction of division is east. So different. So different minus. So minus, of course, minus from the bigger number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So why S? Because the bigger number is S. So bring down the bigger number, direction of bigger number for S. Okay? So there you go. That's it. Thank you. So next slide, guys. I have a sheet work, but I will try to ask this one your answer.